Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car. I have never seen a Gran Sport Sun Coupe. So it's a 1972 Gran Sport. You can see the Gran Sport Stage 1 badging, but check out this roof. So there is a brochure, I'll shoot that in a minute, but I have never seen a Gran Sport Sun Coupe. Here's the Sun Coupe badging. That is a really rare and amazing car. Rear spoiler. Year of manufacturer plate. Great looking Buick wheels. Gran Sports are real sleepers too. Everyone thinks because it's a Buick, well, right there, it's a Buick and that's as far as it goes, but check that out, 455. So here's the brochure. So I had to shoot this. I've never seen the Sun Coupe before, but this is really a clean car. I wish I would meet the owner. I could do a interview, but I got to share the car nonetheless. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you on the next video.